to a Sammy video. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about helicopters and airplanes. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can become a kiddo. And I hope you learned something new. So let's get to it. Alright, we'll talk about the blue helicopter first, the rescue. Made by Hot Wheels. And let's see, and this made by Hot Wheels too. I don't really see the Hot Wheels symbol, but we can. Okay. Now this basically dries up, and this don't have to be in there, but lock it up, straight up, and the helicopter will fly in the air. Grab it. So lock up. Unlock. And this little handle is the it drops it. So now put this over here. Now we'll be talking about Harold next. Could you recognize who this is? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, alright. Now this guy is Harold. He's basically a rescue helicopter. And for example, he can pick up minis. This is his hook, so he can pick up drinks. He can pick up minis. Or he can even pick up comets too. Not enough for trains.
So he can pick up mini trains and big trains.
And he's a rescue helicopter. So let's put him over here. Alright, now let's talk about this. Now he is an airplane, but is he like a commercial? This is a commercial airplane, but is he like a fan of any TV shows? I don't know. Like or subscribe to tell me Rick's he from. Alright. Now this is a original airplane, like sometimes you see in the sky. So for example, let's say Mel Beach is over here and your home is over here. And just imagine long distance, okay? You're gonna need a plane to travel all the way to Myrtle Beach. And you'll have fun with your friends or family. Yeah. So this is a commercial airplane. Now this is a helicopter. You don't see the propellers, but this is a helicopter. It can fly. You fly through the sky like Harold. You could take it apart, or since my sister I think I was building it, some of the pieces has gone, and you could take this off too. Now we'll talk about these two. These two are the homemade that I made with my family or dad. This is from made with my family. This is made from with my dad. Now this is a helicopter, and the things how to make it is materials. The materials how to make it is now you can follow this up too. So you're gonna need a tissue roll, 2 popsicles sticks, a bottle cap, a pen, and straws. And don't forget, pins are dangerous. So never try to touch a pin. Alright, now we're moving on to, this can be the homemade section. now we're moving on to the paper airplane glider. This is a glider that I made with my dad or family. These two that I made for my dad. Excuse me for my family for this one. And you know, it glides through the air. I really want to tell you, but I can't. Alright. It glides through the air like a glider. And yeah. And this is made from paper. Alright. Printed paper. Alright. We're moving on to the final one because we're about to wrap this up. Alright. Now this is a PJ Masks. This is a PJ Masks space rocket, whatever you call this. Now I think they stand up, but first they have the first the PJ Masks have the H, the QH, what's it called? The headquarters that stands for QH, and
no, buddy, it's called HQ.
HQ
Headquarters.
And first they have the headquarters, and then when they launch the headquarters up to space, they transform into the space rocket. Now when they land, the legs stand up, and they jump, get out of the ship, and this is Gecko's moon motor. Now I think the Owlet and Catboy's moon loader that I lost, but this is Gecko moon loader. Alright. And thank you guys for watching for my channel. Please subscribe so you can become a kiddo. I hope you see you in the next video. Bye.